back. We're at Auckland Harley-Davidson. This is Saturday 29th of June. This was filmed last weekend, which was right in the middle of the Matariki long weekend in New Zealand. Public holiday on the Friday. On this particular day, there's a decent turnout of riders have turned up to Auckland Harley-Davidson in Mt Wellington. We're here to support Ray Pratt, the Managing Director, Auckland Harley-Davidson, who is leading out a shop ride today. We're going to head down to Muddy Waters in Mercer, and the call went out to let everybody know that, hey, there's a ride on this weekend. It's being led by Ray. All bikes, all models, welcome to come along. And the day dawned reasonably clear, and a pretty decent turnout came along. There must be, I think, probably close on 50 bikes, perhaps 40 to 50, and a lot of those bikes were carrying pillions as well. Pretty nice just walking around the bikes and having a look to see what's what, which was done before. And right now we're getting ready for the startup. Ray just gave a briefing before where he revealed that he was volunteered for this job by his son Greg, who's the dealer principal now at Auckland Harley-Davidson. Said, Dad, got a great surprise for you. I've arranged you to take a ride leaving Saturday from the shop. So Ray was quite delighted to see so many people turn up. I spoke with him just to check what he's riding today. He's riding an Ultra, so he gave a little ride briefing before. It's going to be a pretty straightforward ride. We're going to head onto the Southern Motorway, getting on down at Mt Wellington. We're going to head down the motorway till we get off at Hill Road, Motorway, and from there we're going to head along past the Hunua Ranges, mostly travelling on Hunua Road, before cutting across near Mangatawhiri, cutting over State Highway 2, and then heading on through a road, name escapes me at the moment, that'll take us through into Mercer, where we're going to rendezvous there. Should be about an hour and a half, maybe, max, to get there. And you'll see bikes forming up on the ride. Know quite a few of the bikes and the riders. There's also quite a few I don't know. So it's going to be a good crew. What I did notice, despite it being an all bikes welcome, and they are, it's almost exclusively Harleys. I don't think I've seen one non-Harley on this particular ride, but that's fine. There's plenty of Auckland Harley-Davidson riders that have been touched by Ray Pratt or his crew over these years. Anyway, here comes Ray now. He'll be coming up from the left very, very soon on the Ultra with his wife Paula on the back, and he's going to be leading out the ride. He's just coming into frame now, heading up to the front of the queue to lead us off. Our Auckland chapter director, Camo, is just right there in the brown vest, oilskin vest. Taking a look around to see if everybody's ready to run. Before all helmeted up, bike started, and we are. He's given the thumbs up to Ray, so we can expect that pretty soon the bikes are just going to start pulling out of here onto Noel Burgess Road. And with such a big group of bikes, it'd be a waste of time for me to get right up the very front. I want to actually see quite a few of the bikes, so I stayed behind, figuring to get in about the last third of the bikes so I could catch a few of them in front of me. And that plan worked brilliantly for about the first 10 minutes. But once we got on the motorway and travelled along the motorway to get off at Hill Road, we'd already by that stage kind of split into smaller groups, and it was every man for himself, in a sense. So it worked well, at least for this little bit, so we'll enjoy seeing a few bikes in the frame as we head off down and get onto the Southern Motorway. It's always nice to see a few other diners around on the rides. That just passing there, thought it was a Fat Bob at first. It was parked near my bike, but I think it's a Super Glide. Sweet looking bike, looks like it's being looked after pretty well. Anyways, we pull out onto Noel Burgess Road. Pleasantly surprised to see there's no traffic there kind of impeding our exit from the driveway. at Auckland Harley-Davidson, and we very quickly got around the corner to get onto Mt Wellington Highway. We're going to head down to traffic lights. There's 2 or 3 sets of traffic lights before we get to the motorway on-ramp, and it's at this point that I began to realise, you know what, we're probably not going to be travelling much as one last or large cohort of bikes as we head down the motorway. But that's okay. You know, we all know where we're going, and we're all going to get there one way or another with breaking into our smaller groups, which is exactly what happened. Anyway, we'll soon get onto the motorway. You'll see us getting on there. We were in kind of the first tranche of bikes, if you like, had already gone through a couple of minutes before we actually managed to catch a green light to get onto the motorway. And once we got on there, we pressed on down. Now, there wasn't too much to see on the motorway. It was pretty usual standard Saturday fare. The traffic was reasonably heavy, but it was free flowing. We got off at Hill Road without incident, and the video is going to, once we get on the motorway, pick up again from Hunua Road, as we're just after we'd got past the quarry. Now, I noticed a rider or two had some long scarves flapping around. On this rider, they always make me a little bit nervous, so I don't really like to see that, because I only just, maybe I got a pessimistic nature, I don't know. I just kind of always imagine the worst possible outcome if one of those things starts unravelling, gets caught up in your wheel or your belt, your chain, whatever you might be riding with. Yeah, I don't like anything loose on my bike, nothing at all. Anyway, we, after several minutes, we realised, well, the first cohort is way down the motorway for sure, before we actually managed to get onto the motorway, and we didn't catch sight of them again. We just broke into smaller groups, and we're going to pick this up now as we're, like I said earlier, on Hunua Road, which this has been picked up just past the quarry. So on the left hand side, it's quite a scenic little ride, it's really nice. On the left hand side, or over to the leftwards, is the Hunua Ranges, one of the water reservoir catchment areas for Auckland. And this particular road, it's in good nick, hasn't really suffered too much from, at least not now, from any of the rains we've had this year. It's been very light rains in comparison to what we had last year. There are still some areas in Auckland that suffer terribly whenever decent rain comes down, and we have had a few falls this year, but this particular road has managed to maintain in pretty good shape, so that's a bonus. And although we did get some rain on the motorway, we managed to travel along this road largely without too much in the way of moisture. You can see the roads are pretty much dry here. A few green tops, but it's not too slippery. The slippery part happens another 10-20 minutes further riding as we come along some roads that have had a recent dusting of rain. And then as the rain starts to come in again a little bit more, many riders are reporting, yeah, I had a little fishtail here, or got a bit slippy on some of those corners, didn't it? You had to agree, say, well, yeah, man, I had the same problem. Exactly. So it was kind of careful riding around here. There's no point kind of totaling out your bike. There's no race. We just all want to get to Muddy Waters and have a bit of a socialise and catch up, get together with all the crew. So yeah, not looking to break any land speed records here. We just want to enjoy the ride through the countryside here, and make our way through to Muddy Waters Irish pub at Mercer, where we'll all have a catch up and get together. And the best kind of catch up is when everybody gets there in one piece, that's for sure. So as we're travelling along here, we started to lose contact with some of the other riders who were going at a bit more of a clip, and so we had a kind of an alternating leader situation on our group for a spell. I eventually took over as we came up near Paparimu Road, led the ride in from there as we kind of head out, leaving the Hunua Ranges and heading up towards Mangatawhiri. A couple of riders in front at the moment. One of them pulls to the side and lets riders in front, I think it's Nick and Lisa. They took the lead for a spell, and then I took it over as we started to come off of Hunua Road. Now, you just saw the tractor going by there. This is kind of an active countryside setting, so there are areas where there's a lot of mud on the road as well, where cattle have been crossing, so there was plenty of hazards to look out for, plenty of things to be careful of, but by and large there was hardly any traffic around. Weather was okay, it wasn't ideal, but it was about as good as you get, not forgetting that this is the middle of winter, so I think many places would give their right arm to be able to ride in the middle of winter. In Auckland, we're lucky enough that we can ride kind of year round, which is, it's a great thing. I don't know how it'd cope with a place where you have to each winter kind of winterize your bike and put it aside for 3-4 months. Just be a little bit of a pain. So yeah, not to harp on, but we're lucky that we can ride kind of year round for the most part. Now you can see from the lens of the GoPro that we are starting to once again move into a little bit of rain, and this is when the road's got a little bit slippy. In the last section, as we came off of Hunua, moved on to Paparima Road up through Mangatawhiri, then turn on to Koiroa Road, which led us through into Muddy Waters Mercer. And as we pull into the car park here, you can see there are a couple of big drops of rain that just settled right on the lens, covering everything up. But we were by no means the last to arrive, but we certainly weren't the first either. There was some kind of roadworks or car park works going on there. We couldn't quite park at the front end. Parked up here, this got filled up with Harleys real quick. And that's where I'm going to leave it. As I'll leave you with a picture of Ray and Paula on the bike leading us out. Take care, ride safe, see you next time.